Three new Nokia smartphones are here, no price, specs and more. To create ripples in the premium smartphone market in India, Finnish company HMD Global on Wednesday unveiled its flagship Nokia 8 Sirocco along with two other mid-segment devices Nokia6 and Nokia7plus that run on Android One, the unmodified Android operating system. HMD Global, that has the license to sell Nokia brand smartphone, also announced the launch of Nokia Mobile Shop, its own online shop for all new handsets of Nokia and accessories in India. Made out of a single block of stainless steel, the premium Nokia 8 Sirocco will be available for Rs 49,999, with Nokia 7 Plus is priced at 25,999. Pre-booking of both the devices will start from 20 April. Highlighting the importance of Indian market for Nokia, Pekka Rentala, Chief Marketing Officer of HMD Global, said, "We are truly running a worldwide business now. We are serious about the consumers in India, including those using feature phones. Nokia became the number one feature phone player in terms of value in past 1 year. The third device, Nokia 6 2018 edition, will be available for Rs 17,000 and consumers can buy the devices from April 6. Being a part of the Android One family, these Nokia smartphones further emphasize our strong commitment to pure, secure and up-to-date Android," said by Pranav Shroff, the director of HMD Global. The Nokia 8 Sirocco has premium features like enhanced dual-side ZEISS optics and tuned acoustic with Nokia spatial audio. Available in black color, Nokia 8 Sirocco has dual rear sensor. The wide-angle primary camera claims to deliver impressive low-light performance, and a secondary 13-megapixel sensor has 2x optimal zoom, which is in a MIA1 also. The Nokia 7 Plus has a dual rear sensor with a ZEISS optics, 12-megapixel wide-angle primary camera, and a secondary 13-megapixel camera that delivers 2x optical zoom. The Nokia 7 Plus is backed by Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 mobile platform. The Nokia 6 has a 2.5D display with a damage-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 mobile platform. While the HMD Global has also announced the launch of Nokia Phone Shop, and today we are talking about the next significant step forward with the launch of 3 new Nokia Android smartphones in 2018. We will continue to strengthen our presence in the country, said by the Ajay Mehta, the Vice President India of HMD Global. So that's it for the news, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit subscribe button if you have visited the channel first time. And if you are willing to buy the Nokia phone, then please comment down in the section below and share this video with your friends and family if anyone is willing to buy. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe button if you have visited this channel first time, and press the bell icon to get instant notification of my latest videos. Till that, sit back, relax and do whatever you want to do. My name is Nikhil. I am signing out.